Hello students, now today let me show you some other formulas in the differentiation. First of all, for marginal cost that is denoted by dC upon dx, then marginal revenue that is denoted by dr upon dx, and then for the elasticity of demand minus p upon x into dx upon dp. Now when the sum it is given that the necessary and sufficient conditions for minimizing the production cost C. At that time we take dC upon dx is equals to 0 and d square C upon dx square greater than 0. Then the necessary and sufficient condition for maximizing the revenue function R, dr upon dx is equals to 0 and d square R upon dx square less than 0. The necessary and sufficient conditions for maximizing the profit function P. If it is given in this kind of statement in the sum, then we apply dP upon dx is equals to 0 and d square P upon dx square less than 0. Exercise 5 section E in that sum number 5. Let's see and read that sum. That in a factory, production cost per 100 tons of steel is 1 by 10 x cube minus 4x square plus 50x plus 300. Determine the production for minimum cost. Here it is given that production for minimum cost we have to find out. Now see, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? The necessary and sufficient condition for minimizing the production cost. That means we take this formula, that d square C upon dx square greater than 0, then dC upon dx that is 0, right? Now see, in the sum production cost C is equals to 1 upon 10 x cube minus 4x square plus 50x plus 300. This equation is given in the sum. We have to find out minimum cost. First of all, necessary condition for that is dC upon dx, that equals to 0. Now here we have this equation is given. So here we apply nx raised to n minus 1, right? तो इसमें सब में हर एक स्टेप में हम एन एक्स रेस टू एन माइनस 1 अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 3x स्क्वायर अपॉन 10 माइनस 8x प्लस 5x. नाउ अभी आपको आना चाहिए कि एन एक्स रेस टू एन माइनस 1 किस तरह से कैलकुलेट करते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इक्वल्स टू 0. अवर दिस फंक्शन बिकम्स दिस इक्वेशन, सो दिस इक्वेशन इज इक्वल्स टू 0, राइट? नाउ हियर in the denominator 10 is there, so we take LCM of 10, so it becomes 3x square minus 80x plus 500, so 3x square. Now इसके हम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे, so 30 and 50 फैक्टर्स आएंगे, so 3x square minus 30x minus 50x plus 500 is equals to 0. so अभी इसके और फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे तो x minus 10 3x minus 50 is equals to 0 आ जाएगा, right? So here we get x minus 10 is equals to 0 or 3x minus 50 is equals to 0, right? So add x that is 10 and x that is 50 upon 3. Now here we apply the sufficient condition. We have to find out minimum cost. For that we apply d square c upon dx square, right? तो उसमें हम क्या करें, पहले d upon dx ले ले. So in bracket we get dc upon dx, right? बिकॉज इसके लिए तो हमारे पास वैल्यू है ही, तो हमने ये इक्वेशन को हमने थोड़ा सा स्प्लिट कर दिया है. द डी अपॉन डी एक्स इन ब्रैकेट मतलब कॉमन निकाल दिया है. इसमें से डी कॉमन निकलेगा, इसमें से डी एक्स निकलेगा, राइट? तो हमें डी सी अपॉन डी एक्स मिल जाएगा. नाउ डी अपॉन डी एक्स, डी सी अपॉन डी एक्स का हमारे पास ये इक्वेशन है, दैट 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 80x प्लस 500, राइट? सो इसको और ये इक्वेशन में हम और एक बार एन एक्स रेस टू एन माइनस 1 अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये मिल जाएगा 6x माइनस 80, 3 2 ज़ा 6 रेस टू 1, देन 80 का 80 x रेस टू 1, तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, 1 माइनस 1 दैट इज़ 0, सो नो नीड टू राइट डाउन. सो 6x माइनस 80. नाउ डी सी अपॉन डी एक्स की हमारे पास दो वैल्यू है, x इज इक्वल्स टू 10 एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू 50 अपॉन 3. So now we put up these two values in that equation. So first of all we put up x is equals to 12. So d square c upon dx square is equals to हमने ये 6x माइनस 80 वाला जो इक्वेशन था उसमें हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल x इज इक्वल्स टू 10 रखा, सो वी गेट -20. तो -20 दैट इज लेस देन 0 एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू 50/3 रखेंगे तो 6x x की जगह पे 50/3, तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50/3 -80, 100 -20, so 20 that is greater than 0, right? So this is our answer. मतलब हमारे पास ये जो कंडीशन थी इन द फॉर्मूला में क्या हो रहा था कि d²c/dx के ग्रेटर देन 0 आना चाहिए, तो ये ग्रेटर देन 0 यहाँ पे आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स अवर कंडीशन दैट इज प्रूव्ड. सम नंबर 8 नाउ. द डिमांड फंक्शन ऑफ एन आइटम is p is equals to 30 minus x²/10. Find the demand and price for maximum revenue. For the demand and price maximum revenue, we apply this function dr/dx that is equals to 0 and d²r/dx² less than 0. First of all, here demand function p is equals to 30 minus x²/10 is given. We require p for finding out the value, right? So let's take that revenue function r is equals to x into p. So now r is equals to x, that remains as it is. P, for the p1 function is given, that is 30x minus x²/10. Now we multiply this x inner side, so it becomes 30x minus x³/3. ये x³ है, right? Okay. Now here we apply nx raised to n minus 1. So 30x raised to n minus 1 becomes 30 only. यहाँ पे 3x² हो जाएगा divided by 10, right? Now here to still more reduce this function, here again we apply that nx raised to n minus 1. So this becomes 0 because there is no power is given. ये हो जाएगा 3 into 2x/10, right? तो ये बन जाएगा, ये 2 5 10 हो जाएगा, so minus 3x/5, right? This is our d²r/dx². This is the shorter value of this given function. Now we find out maximum revenue, that is dr/dx, that is equals to 0. Main function is given 30 minus 3x²/10 is equals to 0. ये पूरा इधर ले आए ये साइड, so 30 is equals to 3x²/10. We multiply this 10 on this side, so it becomes 300 minus 3x². Now take this right? Okay, now take this 3 in the denominator, so it becomes 300/3. So x² we get 100. Now here we have x², so we get x is equals to 10 or x is equals to -10, right? Now the second, that is d²r. Now we find out maximum value for d²r/dx² less than 0. So for d²r/dx² we have this function minus 3x/5. Now we put x is equals to 10 first of all. So minus 3 into 10/5 comes -6 less than 0. Now we put again 10 value in the main function, right? So p is equals to 30 minus x²/10. If you simplify this, we get 20. Because here minus 10 is given, so minus 10 we cannot take for to find out any value. So when demand is 10 unit and price p is equals to 20, revenue obtained is maximum. We require greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. तो इसमें अगर -10 लेते तो फिर से लेस देन आ जाता. We have to prove that p should be greater than 0, right? So here it is proved. Sum number 11 now. The profit function of a producer is 40x plus 10,000 minus 0.1x square. At what production is the profit maximum? Also find the maximum profit. For the maximization of profit, we have to take dp upon dx is equals to 0 and d square p upon dx square less than 0. Now p is equals to this function is given, right? Here also we apply nx raised to n minus 1. So that becomes our dp upon dx. So this remains 40. ये हो जाएगा 0 minus 0.1 into 2x. So we get 40 minus 0.2x. Smaller version of this equation. Now here we cannot split this equation anymore. So here we have 40 minus 0.2x. X के साथ minus 0.2 है. So that minus 0.2 that is less than 0. So here we get negative value. So this becomes our d square p upon dx square. So now we find out maximum profit dp upon dx that we assume as x because value for the x that is not given. So in place of x we take 0, dp upon dx that is equals to 0. In the formula also it is taken as 0. इसका हमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया था 40 माइनस 0.2x इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ट्रांसफर 0.2 ओवर हियर सो 0.2x इज इक्वल्स टू 0. 0.2 को डिनोमिनेटर में ले लें सो वी गेट x इज इक्वल्स टू 200, राइट. सो नाउ वी अप्लाई मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट डी स्क्वायर पी माइनस अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर लेस देन 0. सो दैट वी गेट दैट माइनस 0.2 लेस देन 0. ये आगे मिल गया था, राइट. Now we put x is equals to 200 in the main function. So 40x plus 10,000 minus 0.1 x square. So now we put up 200 in place of x. So we get 14,000. So when production as x is equals to 200, unit maximum profit obtained is rupees 14,000. Right? So this is how we can solve sums of maximum production cost, maximization revenue function and maximizing the profit function, right? Okay.